Google just released something extraordinary. It's called Antigravity, and it changes everything.
Antigravity is an IDE, an integrated development environment, where AI agents work independently. You describe. AI executes.
Think about this. You're not writing code. You're directing AI agents. Agents that test themselves.
Traditional: code, test, debug, fix, repeat. Antigravity: describe problem, AI handles everything, 90% faster.
This is not about efficiency. This is about what developer means. In 2 years, coding skills won't define a developer. Directing AI will.
Product managers can build software. Non-technical founders can prototype systems. Junior devs can focus on architecture. Everyone can code now.
The real question: in 2 years, what defines a developer? Not code knowledge. Directing AI that codes.
Google Antigravity is here now. The real question isn't if it replaces developers. The question: will you adapt, or will someone else?
The future of work isn't about speed. It's about working with AI. Welcome to the AI-driven economy.